Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you much awaited feature of WhatsApp which is being rolled out to almost everyone now. So it is called poll feature. Using poll feature you can vote. You can post a question and you can send it to anyone and they can vote on it. It can be a group or it can be to a person. So how you do is you just come into the chat of the person you want to send or to a group and click on this button and say poll. So and you can ask any question. Let's say, where do we go for vacation? And I'm gonna put options. I'm gonna put 4 options. I'm gonna say Australia, London, Dubai, Germany. Now after doing that, what I'll do is I'll just send it. Now I've sent it. Now if I want I can also vote for it. Now the other person in the group, they can also vote for it. If I send it to a person, that person also can vote. So after doing all those things, we can see the votes. We can see who has voted and which has the highest number of votes. So this is a very useful functionality. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.